Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week we're making a Flamin Hot Cheetos chicken strips and we're going to do it with a spicy cheese sauce.
Yeah!
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken and we're going to cut it into strips. Not too thick, cut them quite thin. So in half. Then okay, and if you could just put that into, we've got a bowl here with some buttermilk in it, so we'll just add the chicken to the buttermilk. And before you do that, I'm just going to add some salt and pepper. Okay, you give that a good mix. Perfect. Then what we're going to do is we're going to leave this in the fridge and get on to the next stage. Okay, so the next stage is we're going to blend up our Cheetos. So in you go with that, into a food processor. Okay. Okay, and once you get it down to a kind of breadcrumb texture, then that's it, ready to go. And just onto your tray. Okay, so now we're just going to make our cheese sauce. So I'm just going to go in first with some butter into a pan. Melt that down. Okay, so once that's melted down, we're just going to go in with our flour next. And we're just going to cook this down on a low heat for about 2 minutes. So once you've cooked it out for a couple of minutes, we're going to go in next with some warm milk. We're just going to gradually add the milk, don't put it all in at once. Okay, then once you've added all the milk, just let this cook out for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now we can go in with our cheese, go in with some grated cheese. Give that a good mix in. We're also going to go in with a pinch of salt. Spoonful of American mustard, and some finely chopped jalapeños. And that's our sauce done. Okay, so now we're going to coat the chicken in the Cheetos. So take that out of the buttermilk. Okay, and now we're ready just to fry our chicken. Now we're going to fry our chicken. I've set the temperature to 170 degrees and we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes. Cheers.